In this quick guide, I'll show you how to access and change your Xfinity router settings. So firstly guys, make sure to connect your computer or phone to your Xfinity Wi-Fi network. Then open up a browser and you can type, for example, this default address, 10 two zeros. Make sure to enter dots and then 1 at the end. This is going to be the admin panel from which you can access your settings. Then guys, when prompted, you enter your login details. The default username is admin and the default password is password, unless you've changed them. And then when you're logged in, you'll see the gateway menu on the left, right here. Then from there you can manage your Wi-Fi name, password, connected devices, parental controls, and security options. If you want to change your Wi-Fi name or password, you just go to connection right over here, and then Wi-Fi and click Edit next to your network. After updating the information, select Save Settings right over here, this button. You can also adjust advanced options like channel selection, port forwarding, or network mode under advanced options. There you go, this one right here, this tab. And that's it. That's how you change your Xfinity router settings. For faster speeds and better coverage, check out my video on optimizing Xfinity Wi-Fi next.